Good morning, dear students. How are you today? I hope you are all okay, and I'm also better than yesterday. So, today we're going to continue our lesson, and before that, I want to ask you the answer of fourth question, yesterday question, and I haven't any answer from you. Uh, I haven't seen your answers, so that's why to show you the solution of fourth question. And what was the fourth question? Let's remember, two angles are supplementary. What was the supplementary? Is the add up to 180. So x plus y is equal to 180. Yeah? Okay, like straight line. And what is the condition of the second part of the question? The first angle is twice the size of the second. If you look that carefully, you will see that uh, how can I say it? Two unknown variables. In geometry, how can you find the two unknown variables? So if you look or read carefully in the second part of the question, what was the condition? It was twice, the first angle is twice the size of the second. It means the first angle is x is twice of second and equal to 2y of the second angle, or it means x is equal to 2y. Now you can put the place of x just 2y. Okay, 2y, and I want to copy here, plus y is equal to 180. Now we will rearrange the equation and you can write that just one variable. So 3y is equal to 180 degree, and let's simplify that by 3, and y is equal to 60. So as you see, the y is 60 degree. Now put the place of y. X plus what was the y is 60 degree and is equal to 180 degree. And from here, x is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree, and x is equal to 120 degree. Okay, today we will continue with triangles, the properties of triangles, and after that we'll see the quadrilaterals. Okay, let's start today's lesson. Uh, what is the triangle? Triangle is a plane, like plane. What's a plane? Shape with three sides and three angles. Okay, it has got three sides and three angles. And the first side and the first angle, and second angle or third angle, and a second side, and opposite of third side is, let's write here third side, and let's write here first side. Okay, now first, second and third angles, and the first, third, and the second sides. Okay, in the first figure, you will see the scaling triangle. What does mean scaling triangles? Have no sides of equal to each other, or no angles are equal. So as you see, x, y, z are not equal to each other. For example, 50, x is 50, and z is 60, and 70. Yes, because of the sum of interior triangles is 180. That's why when you add up to three sides or three angles, you must take 180. Yeah, so 120 plus 60 is 180. Okay, it's correctly. So triangles are classified according to the length of their sides and the size of their angles, or both. So what does it mean? We'll return for this paragraph, for this info. Okay, and a second triangle is isosceles triangle. What is the isosceles triangle? Is two sides are equal, or two lengths are equal. So base of the equal sides are equal in size. So as you see, if these two sides are equal, and also is two angles must be equal to each other. If this side is 7 centimeter and also right side of the triangle is 7 centimeter, so their angles must be equal to each other. Yeah, 70 by 70, and here 40. Okay, so its name is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle have not have two sides of equal lengths. The angles at the base of the equal sides are equal in size. Okay, let's go on. And what about equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle. Equal. So three sides of the triangle or three angles of the triangle is if equal, then you can call it equilateral triangle. So each angles are must be equal to 60 degree. When you will add for three sides, you should take 180 degree. Okay. In other triangles, acute, what is the acute? Less than 90 degree, for example, 50, 60, and 70. And there is no any angle is more than 90 degree, but less than 90 degree. So its name is acute angle triangles. And a second triangle, the name of second triangle is right angle triangles, because of at least one angle is equal to 90 degree. So the other angles, it doesn't matter. Maybe 45 to 45 or for 30 for 60. Yeah. Yes. For us, at least angle of triangle is if 90. So its name is right angle triangle or right triangle. Okay. And the last triangle, obtuse angle. What is the obtuse? And as you see, is more than 90 degree. At least one of them is more than 90 degree. So that's why its name is obtuse angle. The three angles inside a triangle are called interior angles. The three angles inside a triangle are called interior angles. Okay. So, just a moment. I'm sorry. And as you see here, we have three angles inside a triangle. So their names is interior angles. If you extend the side of the triangle, you make another angle outside the triangle. Angles outside the triangle are called exterior angles. For example, what is the exterior of B? Is yes, this angle is exterior of B. For example, D. What is the exterior of A? For example, E. What is the exterior of C? For example, F. Yes. When you will extend the line, and if you will get just straight line, so other exterior angle called or exterior angle, and the sum of exterior and interior angles equal to 180 because of its straight line. So B plus D is equal to 180. So A plus E also is equal to 180. And what is the sum of C plus F? Also 180 because of interior angle and exterior angle. If you add, you will get 180 because of their line is straight line. Okay. Look at the diagram below carefully to see two important angle properties of triangles. So the diagram shows two things. The three interior angles of a triangle add up to 180. ABC is 180. Okay. Two interior angle of a triangle are equal to opposite exterior angle. It's very important. For example, what was the exterior angle of B? It was D. Yeah. Okay. And what is the information here? Definition. Two interior angles of a triangle are equal. to the opposite exterior angle. So what is the, how can I say, no neighbors of D, exactly AC, or opposite angles of D is A and C, because of D is, so sorry, the opposite angles of D is or are A and C. So A plus C is equal to, what is the exterior angle of B is D. Yeah. So let's try it. Let's try it. It's acute angle and 60, 50, and 70. Okay. Sorry. Let's draw the bigger than 60, 50, and automatically here must be 70. Yes. What is the exterior angle of 70? Exactly 110, because of its straight line, and you will get 180 totally. So what is the opposite angles of 110 is 50 and 60. 50 plus 60 equal to, I'm asking you, 110. Yes, they are equal. So this information is correctly. So two interior angles is 50 and 60 of a triangle are equal to opposite exterior angle. Opposite exterior angle of 70 is 110. So, okay. If you try this yourself with any triangle, you will get the same results like this. But why is this so? Mathematicians cannot just show things to be true. They have to prove them using mathematical principles. And blah, blah, blah. Read the text, please. It's so long. And as you hear also, just they have shown us, for us, A plus B is exterior angle because of its, yes, outside of the triangle. A plus B. And a C is interior angle. Okay. And this line is straight line and must be equal to 180. So A plus C plus A plus B is equal to 180. Okay. And the next types of triangle, angles in a triangle add up to 180 degree. To prove this, you have to draw a line parallel to one side of the triangle. Okay, the condition of also in here, parallel to one side of the triangle. So x plus a plus y is equal to 180. We know it, yes, because of its straight line. X plus a plus y is 180. Okay, but b is equal to x. Why? B is equal to x. Yes. If you remember the rule of z, if we have two parallel lines, as you see here, x and b, here we have the rule of z. Yes, interior angles are equal to each other. So x is equal to b and c is equal to y. So the other name of this rule is alternate angles. Yeah. Okay. So a plus b plus c is equal to 180. And also here x plus a plus y is equal to also 180. And if you want to put the place of x, you will put just b, and you will get a plus b plus c is equal to 180. It's just, how can I say, like proof. In the future, we'll show you with the examples. The exterior angle is equal to the sum of the opposite interior angles. For example, a plus b is equal to x. Yeah. And here the other info is c plus x is 180. Don't forget, because of its straight line. So c is equal to, and here let's start with here, c plus x. C plus x is 180. It's angles on a line. It's straight line. Okay. So c is staying the constant, and x goes to right side, and automatically the sign is changed to negative. Okay, 180 minus x. So so a plus b plus c was the interior angle of triangle is 180. The angle sum of triangle. Okay, so you can put the place of c. You can put the place of c just 180 minus x. Okay. Okay. 100 minus, what was the x? What was the x? X was a plus b, a plus b. And here also 180 minus x, or a plus b. And so you will get, hence, a plus b is equal to x. Okay, it's like proof. You can stop the video and watch it again. Please use your brain. So these two properties allow us to find the missing angles in triangles and other diagrams involving triangles. So worked example here we have, find the value of the unknown angles in each triangle. So the first properties of triangle was, so interior angles of triangle must be equal to, the sum of interior angles must be equal to 180 degree, don't forget. Now let's add them. First angle of triangle is 82 degree plus, and the second one is 30 plus x degree, must be 180. Okay, so 112, x is equal to 180 minus 112, and x is equal to 68. Yes, 68 degree. So x is 68 degree. Yes, in here also angle sum of triangle is 180, and from here you'll get the x is 68. And what about the second question? Is like a right triangle, because of at least angle of triangle is equal to 90 degree. Yes, it's the sine of 90 degree, and the other two angles are equal to x plus x. So let's write here x plus x is equal to, sorry, plus, and the third angle is 90, okay, and is equal to 180. Okay, what about 2x plus x is 2x plus 90, and is equal to, where's my pens? Yes, here. And 2x is equal to 90 goes to right side and is 90. From here, x is equal to 45. Yes, x is equal to 45, 45. And what about c? C, just a moment. 1 minute. Okay, C is also triangle, but it has got many properties of triangle. And the first one is, there we have two separate triangles in the first triangle and totally second triangle. And this one is not triangle, but trapezoid or quadrilateral. So let's find, first of all, first triangle. 70 plus 35 plus x is equal to 180. Yeah? Okay. It's first triangle. And here also you'll find x is equal to 75. I want to show you quickly. Yes, and here also we have explanation, solution. And what about the second shape, or quadrilateral? And because of, we need the, how can I say, a value of y. And as you see here on properties, these two straight lines are parallel to each other. And we have letter F. Yes, what was the letter F? It was corresponding angles. Yes, if two lengths are parallel and their up angle or down angles are equal to each other, so that's why x is equal to y. And what was the x? It was 75, and automatically y also is equal to 75. And what about z? What about z? Let me find it. So x was 75 and y was 75. Sorry. And here we have straight line, and what is the exterior angle of x is 105. And 105 plus 105 plus 75 plus, here is 100 minus 35 is 145 plus z is equal to how much? because of it's not how can I say triangle, but it has got four sides, all quadrilateral. Um, for here, just a moment, we don't know what is the quadrilateral. Yeah. Hmm. Let's check with our solution uh, which way they used for solution. So 70 plus y plus z. Yes, the second triangle they used. Okay, now because of we know what is the y? It was 75. And we know the second angle also. What is the second angle of triangle? 70 plus 75 plus, and we need just z is equal to 180 because it's big triangle, not small triangle. And 145 plus z is equal to 180, and z is equal to, I mean, it's 35 corresponding angles. Okay, thank you. And here also some examples, and I want to show you the first and third maybe, and the second is for you. Find the size of angles x, y, and z. So there we have two known angles, and we need the exterior angle of these interior angles. So opposite angles of exterior angle is 60 plus 80 is equal to 140. So automatically x is equal to 140 degree. Okay. And what about c? C is 40, no 40, not 40, and Z. And here also we know the straight line is 70. It must be 70 because of add up to 180. 70 and plus 40 is 110. 110 plus Z is Z must be equal to 70. Okay, now you can put the place of Z just 70. So look at a big triangle, 40, 70, and X. 40 plus 70 plus, and here let's put the x. Okay, x plus 40 because of this whole part of the angle, and is equal to 180. So 70, 40 is 110, 150, x is equal to 180 minus 150, and x is equal to 30 degree. So x is 30. Okay, now let's put the place of x is 30. Here is 30. Okay, what about z? Already we have found z was 70. Okay, and b is for you. Thank you for your attention. See you the next lesson. Goodbye.